জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Wait! Do not dare enter the prayer room.
Jasmine ma'am. Ma'am forbade me to enter the prayer room. And then Dripto himself permitted me to enter the prayer room. So I will comply only if he forbids me from entering this prayer room. Except for him, I'm not going to listen to anybody.
I don't trust you, Nayan. You can understand very well that Dripto's father has already begun to like me. So to make me look bad in his eyes, what if you mix something to the food I cooked for the offering? It will be completely spoiled then, right? Eyes down, Nayan. Look down while talking to me.
I can look down, Jasmine ma'am. But the reason you are forbidding me to enter the prayer room, I can't imagine to have such bad intentions.
Is that so? Whether your intentions are good or bad, who are you to decide that, Nayan? Your master will decide that. And it's not long before I become your master. I hope you already know that. Let me marry Dripto just once. Then I will kick you out of this place. By the way, you must know that Dripto and I getting married the day after tomorrow. That means there is only a day to go.
What?
Dad, I need to talk to you.
Oh no, Deepu must have something to say about his wedding with Jasmine. Oh, what do you need to say now? You have come a long way. The rituals will start anytime. Let's go, freshen up and change your clothes. Come on, go
Mom,
now.
listen to me.
Your mother is absolutely right, Deepu. You just came back from a death anniversary. You cannot perform the rituals in the same clothes. Go change.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, that's all right, but where is Nayan? Where did she go? Nayan? Nayan?
Why are you calling Nayan now? Why do you need her?
No, Mom. I have to perform the rituals and I have to take out fresh clothes for me. That's why Nayan! Nayan! Nayan, where are you? Nayan!
How was the surprise, Nayan? Oh no. Sorry. You don't understand the meaning of surprise. Do you know what a surprise is? It means amazement.
But the priest said in front of me that the auspicious date for the wedding is after 5 days.
Nayan, money can turn an ominous date into a holy date. You know?
Nayan! Where were you, Nayan? I've been searching for you for so long. You go to my room right now and to take out some clothes for the rituals. I'll come upstairs to change right away. You go.
What good will happen if you leave angry? You see, Father is now against my friend. Now only 2 of us are left on her team. If we also leave, She will become alone. Her votes will decrease. Can't you see?
What happened? Go take out the clothes. I'm coming. You. Why are you standing? Just go.
Why will Nayan do this for you? Jasmine is here to help. She can do it. She has to do it anyway after a few days. Go, Jasmine. Help Deepu find something to wear. Let's see how you understand Deepu's choice these days.
Of course.
Jasmine, wait. Mom, I think it's too early to involve Jasmine in all this. When her time comes, she'll do it anyway, right? For the time being, let Nayan do the work. Nayan, I asked you to go to my room, right? Come on, go. Why is Nayan looking so nervous? Is it just because Dad supported Jasmine? Or is there anything else?
And the days are approaching, Deepu. You know, the priest visited us. The date for Deepu and Jasmine's wedding has been finalized.
The wedding date is final already?
Yes, of course. If you already approved of her, then what's the point of delay? They'll tie the knot day after tomorrow.
What? The day after? But you didn't tell me anything about it.
I decided on the date myself. What do you have to say? You never object to anything I say. You are wrong, Sanjukta. Why won't Deepu say anything? Has he given you the authority to take any decision on his behalf? Did he sign over a treaty to you? Wedding, marriage is a big deal. It's said that birth, death, and marriage, the Lords decide. Shouldn't the person have an opinion in their own marriage? Mom, you're getting angry for no reason. Whatever I have done is for the sake of Deepu's well-being. I'm his mom after all. I'm his grandmother after all. He's my grandchild. For the grandparents, how much their grandchild means, I don't think I'll have to explain that to you. And anyway, I am not imposing my desire on him.
Grandma, don't get too angry. I suggest you relax now. And Chowmin is not going to marry that soon, right, Chowmin?
What do you mean?
What meaning you're searching for Chowmin? See, mother needed some time for you, didn't she? She fixed the date for the day after. But that's not possible because there are no makeup artists available on that date. And without any makeup artist, how will you prepare for the wedding? If you show up without makeup, Dripto will run away.
Rangana, you are very funny, you know. Actually, I have already arranged for my makeup and hair artists. The wedding is in 2 days, you know. After all, it is Aunt's wish.
No, it cannot be all of a sudden. Mom, please do not do anything in a rush. Please don't.
Deepu? Why are you making requests? It is your life, your wedding. Don't you have at least the right to decide when you want to get married? Mom, why are you suddenly so angry? What are you angry about? Because the wedding is in 2 days, or is it because the wedding is with Jasmine? Say it clearly, Mom.
Grandmother, you dislike me so much. You could have said that earlier to me. Sorry, I couldn't understand it. Actually, you know, it's my fate. My mother died when I was young. After that, my sister-in-law, she also passed away. Maybe I'm not lucky to be with a big family like this. I'm stuck with such a misfortune. No. I don't want to be one of you forcefully.
My lord. She's a brilliant actress, it seems.
If you had said this to me earlier, I wouldn't have held such high hopes. I wouldn't have considered myself as one of this family.
No, Jasmine, no. You don't have to think such things. Mother, why are you getting so upset? A priest also suggested that Deepu should marry again. So what's the point in delaying?
Father, you have changed a lot. You used to love my friend earlier. Now you're trying hard to break her marriage. Don't you feel bad about it?
Hey, Rangana. Don't you know how to talk to my father? Or your audacity knows no bounds.
And what marriage are you referring to? I'm warning you again. Do not cross your limits. You're crossing your limits.
You used to love my friend earlier. Now you're trying hard to break her marriage. Don't you feel bad about it?
You misunderstand me, don't you, Nan? But you have prepared yourself for this sacrifice, and I must protect you from all the enemies so that you can protect Deepu. And to protect you, it has to be believable in everyone's eyes that you are not Deepu's wife. You know what? Everyone should know that Nayan is not Deepu's wife. Someone else is the wife. And you won't get my property. To me, you...
Father, you don't have to say anything. Don't need to explain. Whatever you are doing, is absolutely right.
হোক না যতই কপাল পোড়া জনম দুঃখিনী, পরের ভালো করতে চলে সে ত্রিনয়নী। যা কেউ দেখে না তাই দেখে সে, চোখের জলের ভাঙলো বুঝি বাঁধ। কেউ বলে এ অভিশাপ আর কেউ বলে রে আশীর্বাদ, কেউ বলে রে আশীর্বাদ। অভিশাপ আর আশীর্বাদে দোলায় দুলুনি, পরের ভালো করতে
My father died when I was a child. I don't even remember him clearly. But how a father could be, how his care should be, I got to learn that from you, Father. When did Father begin to like Jasmine this much? For me, you wanted to bring a girl who could pretend, so that you can fake the marriage between that girl and Dripto. And my marriage with Dripto would be the real thing. But now, you have forgotten me instead, Father. Father, I was your daughter. But you made me so distant. So distant. Why are there so many flowers in Dripto's room? There was no strong scent of these flowers in that shop. Are these flowers the same? What is this? That beautiful strong smell? But how did they come to Dripto's room?
The scent of flowers, the scent of death. Can you smell them, Nayan?
Dripto? There is something for you in your room.
What is it?
Actually, I decorated your room with my favorite flowers.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
I hope you won't dislike them.
Why did Nayan just leave? I have to talk to her.
Actually, I like to keep flowers in the room. Don't you like them?
You know, the priest visited us. The date for Deepu and Jasmine's wedding has been fixed. The date is day after tomorrow.
The day after tomorrow. That means Nayan doesn't have time. Will she be able to gather evidence in such a short time? What will Nayan do? Can she provide with the evidence before the wedding? Otherwise, breaking up the marriage will be...
Dripto?
Yeah,
What happened, Dripto? I've been talking to you for a while, but you're not saying anything. What are you thinking about?
no, the rituals will start anytime. I better go and change. Excuse me.
What happened? Why are you standing here?
Then what should I do, Mrs. Basu? Nayan went to Dripto's room. Guess what? Dripto also followed after her. I asked Dripto a question, but Dripto didn't even consider answering me for that. Dripto still has Nayan in his heart.